guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. This is Rouser-Davis, and today I am back with a video. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my drugstore wash and go. So every product in this tutorial will be from the drugstore, so you guys can pick it up anywhere. So first we're going to start off with my organics coconut curl shampoo, conditioner, this protein treatment from Shea Moisture, love it, this curl defining from organics, this eco styler, the olive oil of course, and a pick, which I didn't use, a big tooth comb and a small tooth comb. So this is where I start to use the protein treatment because I already washed and shampooed and conditioned. So the reason why I like this protein treatment is, one, it does moisturize my hair. It made my hair super soft. I love the texture. It's just like the texture of yogurt. A little goes a long way, because at first I thought, why did they make this bottle container so little? But you really don't need a lot. A little really goes a long way. And as you see in the video, I will be making sure that I put a lot of protein treatment on my ends, because my ends are dry. Well, my whole hair is dry, but my ends are really dry. But this protein treatment is amazing. I recommend this protein treatment for any and everybody. It's worth the money. I purchased mine at my local Ulta because they're currently having a buy one get one 40% or 50% off. So yeah. Another thing, well, another reason I like this protein treatment is because it doesn't make my hair hard. You know how some protein treatments make your hair hard? This does not. So I really do recommend it. Like, look at my ends. Like, look at my ends. Also, I did cut my hair. So yeah, and I cut my hair myself. And look how much shedding that I lost, which was nothing. So I'm going to leave this on for 15 minutes. So now we are done with deep conditioning. My curls are popping, and I'm just going to part my hair to the side, which I always do. And I'm going to use my organics definer cream. Y'all, this stuff is amazing. It really does hydrate and moisturize my hair, and it helps define my curls. Like, my curls will last about until my next wash day if I take care of it while I'm sleeping, because sometimes I do forget to wear my satin scarf. So as you can see, I'm just going to put a lot. Like, I use a lot of product to coat my hair because my hair is dry and it's fall and the cold is coming. So make sure you guys moisturize your hair as much as possible. But yeah, this stuff is amazing, and it also smells so good. Like, I love when my hair smells good. Also, I know a lot of you are going to ask, where did I get this spray bottle? I purchased this spray bottle at my local Ulta. It was about $6 to $8, which is really good for a spray bottle, especially a fancy spray bottle like this one. It coats the hair really well. Like, if your hair is like really dry, you don't need to spray a lot, because y'all, sometimes it will not stop spraying. So just be careful with that. But other than that, I highly recommend the spray bottle. Now I'm going to use my Eco Styler olive oil gel. This is by far my favorite one, and then I like the coconut one. But I'm just going to put this all through my hair, like I did the protein treatment and like I did the defining cream, because this really does help my curls stay a little longer as well. But at the end, it does crunch, like it's like a crunchy feeling. But all you have to do is press my hair together, if that makes sense. It's like slide it down so it won't be crunchy. And you guys, I bought a diffuser finally. Purchased this diffuser at my local Ulta. It was on sale for basically $25 because I used a 20% off coupon, and it's powerful. It's so cute. I wish it was green, but this will do. So I'm just gonna make sure my hair is like 50% dry, and then I'm just gonna air dry the rest. Time for the baby hairs. I'm using the Eco Styler olive oil gel for my baby hairs. Sometimes I do use the Cream of Nature extra hold gel for my hairs as well, but sometimes I do use the Cream of Nature extra hold gel as well for my edges. But recently I've been liking my Eco Styler gel. My Eco Styler really doesn't have that shine like some gels do, and also it helps my hair stay slick all day. My hair is about 70% dry. This looks really good. That's why I love drugstore products, because you don't have to splurge on high-end products to get high-end results. You can just go to your local Target, your local CVS, Walgreens, Ulta to purchase. So the shrinkage is real. My hair is 100% dry. I made sure to air dry my hair for the rest of the day because I had to go to work. But you guys, it's fluffy, it's bouncy, it's soft, it's so defined. It looks really good. It kind of looks like a wig, but it's not. This is how you do a bomb wash and go. So I did not pick my hair because it's just going to get big on its own. And yes, this is my natural hair color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the bell down below so you guys can be notified for whenever I do post a video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.